Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of the Journey MagSafe compatible wireless charger. Now, we previously covered the Journey leather iPhone case for the iPhone 13 Pro, which is also MagSafe compatible. Let's see what the Journey MagSafe charger is like, and more importantly, how it performs with the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, it is very premium packaging you get with this charger, and to get into it I need to get the plastic strip off the bottom. It's a little bit of plastic tape that keeps the drawer with the product itself within it. So there we go, that should be done. And is there one on top? Yes, there is. I should probably find my Jerry Rig Everything unboxing knife. This would definitely make my unboxing experience easier. But this is what we do for view time here at Tech Travel Geeks. Trying to beat the algorithm of YouTube. I'm just joking. But once you get this relatively small plastic lip off, you open the case and you see that you have Journey designed in Australia, and that you can register your product for 1 year warranty. There is also some extra documentation here with some tips and tricks on how to use this, but let's look at the charger itself as it comes out of the box. So first impressions, it's very, very similar to other MagSafe chargers, and you can see that this is the same leather, or very, very similar to the leather on the case that we have previously done a video of here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So it matches, and it has the Journey logo embossed in that leather. It's very, very nice. And the cable comes with a nice little cable tidy, which is itself, it feels like leather. It's very, very soft. I'm questioning if this is actually leather or if it's something else. I suppose only time will tell about that. And on the other side, it is USB Type-C. So to see how this works, first of all, we need to have a mains to USB Type-C charger or a device with USB Type-C. Luckily here on my bench, I have my AOFO strip. I'll take this out, and let's use in this case, the McDodo 65 watt USB size Type-C charger. So I've just plugged that into the AOFO strip. This isn't covering the USB Type-C port, so I should be able to just pop that into one of the USB Type-C ports and then try it out with the charger itself. So this is the Journey charger, it's plugged in. Let's see if it charges. My iPhone, which is already at a low battery level. So I'm going to switch that off and tap it on the back, and yes, it's charging. So it seems to be working well. As usual with the iPhone, it doesn't really give you an estimate of how long it will take to charge, what speed it's charging at, despite in this case being connected to a 65 watt charger. So it is working, it is charging my iPhone. That's with the Journey iPhone 13 Pro case on it, which is also a MagSafe compatible product. So what I'm going to do now is take the case off and see how it works without the case on. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro. It clicks in place nicely and it works. So very, very handy. If you're looking for a MagSafe charger that seems to do the job, that works with USB Type-C at the other end, this may be a good product for you. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this on the Journey website, and if they have a valid link for us on the Amazon UK site. So please do have a check out of that link if you'd like to know more. But as far as I'm concerned, this is a premium, really nice piece of leather and plastic that does a good job for MagSafe charging. MagSafe is essentially a circle of magnets with the coil in it that essentially clamps itself to the sweet spot on your iPhone to charge the phone, and it's doing a good job here. So well done there. And as you can see on the inside of the Journey case, we have that indication of where the magnetic strip is. Just put the Journey case back on, which I'm really enjoying. It's nice soft leather, and just pop that on the back and it charges the iPhone. So thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you would like to see more content like this, not only for accessories but smartphone reviews, camera reviews, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any further questions about this product, about the case, how they're getting on, feel free to leave that comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like us as well. But anyway, for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.